throw that little thing
Yo, it's not gonna move.
in the
It's like not really moving.
river. And yes, so
Yo, let's see how much
he's basically forcing it to do suicide off this bridge. You're dead. No, he didn't.
He's saying, no, take out the stuffing.
No, that's stupid. Leave the stuffing. Let it be. Let's let it just commit suicide.
Why?
Let's give it a shot.
Take out the stuffing.
No, this is just for an offering.
No, that's a duck.
Don't let it kill the
I hate my life.
I don't care. Okay, ready? Well, wait. Let's name it. Name it Kelly. It says Kelly right here, right? It says Kelly. Yeah, it says Kelly. This is Kelly.
Bye,
Kelly.
Kelly. I love you.
Bye, Kelly. You're great. Okay, you were great to us.
If you were hot, I would have made out with you. But
Go. Okay. Oh, hungry. Let's walk with herself. Can't throw this stupid thing. Bye, Kelly.
You have to drown it.
Kelly, we love you.
Well, why did you drown it, Jeremy?
Kelly.
Throw a rock on it.
Kelly.
Rock.
Kelly.
Go.
Kelly. Jeremy, how do you feel? You just like threw that thing in the river.
I feel good.
Feel good? That's good.
This is from my kill someone.
Oh, that's great. No, you have to.
Go drown it.
You cut me, but
You can't Robbie. Like, now Robbie got emo.
yeah.
Okay, so, yeah.